Hello Beading Brigade, this is Monica and I wanted to show you my new cart that I just got off of Amazon. It's a Designa 3-tier rolling storage cart. It's in the teal color. And I absolutely love it. It has a lot more of the hanging baskets than the other two color options did. So I wanted to go with this one, even though I would have preferred like a turquoise blue or a pink. But you'll see on this side here, I have it set up to where I could put gift wrap rolls down in there if I wanted to. You can see how easy it is to put your gift wrap rolls in there, and you can just fill that up all that you want to. I don't really use my gift wrap anymore because I did primarily like gift bags and stuff, but I used to be really big into gift wrapping via the rolled paper. But if you are a vinyl cutter person with your Cricut machines, your Brother Scan and Cuts and all that, you can actually move this bottom tray up to the second level, and then you can put your rolls of your vinyl cutting materials there. That would be pretty cool. So this is one side, and this also has some hooks here that you can hang some other things off of. As you turn it around, this side doesn't really have much going on, but you could still kind of hang things off of it if you wanted to. This side has some cool dowel rods in metal, and you just hang this onto this side here. You put your ribbon rolls on, so you can take that off and on as you need to put more ribbon rolls on or change them out, whatever you want to do. And then it has these little kind of rubberized clippies you just snap onto the metal tray. Then you just put your little racks onto those. That way it's easier, it doesn't scratch up your surface. You can adjust these however you want. Now as I turn this around, this is the ultra cool feature of this cart. It has a metal pegboard that you can put on one side. This one came with 4 of the pegboard hooks. It also comes with this basket. I put the basket at the top. I think the picture shows it at the bottom, but I think I'm going to put glue sticks and my glue gun up in here. You can adjust that however you want to. And then each of the metal trays holds 20 pounds of weight, so I like that. And of course, I do like the color. I would rather have had it in my fuchsia pink color or like a darker pink, but this option is the only one that had all of the additional accessories, whereas the other options had 1 or 2 little peg hooks, I think maybe 1 basket, and it didn't have all the other stuff that goes on the side here. And right now, I'm still not able to unpack anything in my office, so this is going to help me just get things off of my computer desk that I have in the way of my crafting stuff. The little bit of crafting stuff that I have unpacked, I can put on this cart, and I have another little table, so I can get that set up and actually have a little bit better functionality in my room. I'm so super happy with this. It came with instructions, and my husband put this together for me, so I didn't have to fool with that part. Which, as we all know, I really need all the help I can get with my storage stuff. I just did the little hanging accessories here, and it comes with the tools in order for you to put it together. So we didn't have any major problems or anything. I love this cart. Again, this is the Designa 3-tier rolling storage cart. I got this at Amazon, and it has 3 color options. It's versatile. You can adjust this as you want, and it's going to really help me out here. I can roll this around, and also it has a braking system on the wheels. Let me show you the wheels there. Let me know below in the comments if you have a cart like this, if you have any questions for me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not already done so, and share it to any of your crafty friends that might be interested in a cart like this as well. And I'll put a link below to this cart in case you're interested in purchasing it at Amazon. Thanks so much for watching. Have a bead-tastic day, y'all. Bye!